So there are two different style motors. As you can see, this one's got the 3 bolts right there, and then this whole thing pops off. This one is a different style, so this one you just have the adhesive holding everything together. So this one's more of a pain in the ass, but all you got to do is just pry the adhesive off, everything comes right out. So we're going to start with this guy. So it's going to be 1/4 inch on all 3, and we'll do that real quick. Once you get those 3 off, all you got to do is just pry up on it and just get up in there, and you might have to just get a flathead right in there or box cutter and just pop it open. If you got one of the brand new kits for the rebuild, then it comes with the whole new gasket and everything, so everything seals right up. So this is what everything looks like. You got your brass gear. This one I had already rebuilt, so what my goal is to do is I'm going to try to see if I can get this stuff into this motor and put everything back together. But again, brass motor, everything looks good on that one. Teeth look nice and healthy. Sometimes these get a little gunked up, so if you have one like this, you can clean it up a little more. But otherwise, I think that one looks decent. This design kind of sucks, so you're gonna have to get either a box cutter, a knife, something to break the seal right under in there. And once you get it, you're just gonna have to wiggle a flathead in there until it pops off. And once you get it, just wiggle everything off, and you can see you got a nice ugly gear in there. Some of the things you want to look for, even though you're gonna rebuild it, you can kind of, some people like to know what happened. You can see that on this one, some of the teeth starting to be eaten away. Focus kind of sucks here, but there you go. You can kind of see that some of the teeth were starting to get eaten away. Not to mention that there's no more grease or anything inside of here, so no lube, no nothing. So it's pretty dry. That also causes some problems. Sometimes this rubber grommet right here, these holes aren't supposed to be stretched out, but as you can see, this one started a little wider. And now, the same way you took everything out, go ahead and put everything back in. And then for this type, what you have to do is you're gonna have to get that special adhesive to seal all of this, and then you can get a C-clamp to hold everything together while it all dries. In case you're not sure what exactly the C-clamp method is, it's just like that. Seal everything up, use that clamp to hold some pressure on it. That makes sure everything locks in place.